stocks that are making headlines this morning. Good morning, Navneet.
Morning, Kamya. A couple of counters to keep an eye on, starting with Jindal Steel and Power. Now, remember, this counter was down by about over 6% last week because of its name appearing in the CAG report on coal mining. Now, another negative news coming in there for the company as the company is planning to scale down its steel pellet plant in Bolivia. The scaling down is due to shortfall of gas supply. Remember, the company needs around 4.5 MCMD of gas for its operations there, whereas right now, currently, it's getting only 2.5 MCMD. So that's the reason where the company would be looking out to scale down its operation. If you look at the counter, 1 year return, the counter it's down by about 20%, and technically also if you look at the charts, it's trading below 50, 100 and 200-day moving average. Moving on to Coal India, now some of the reports are suggesting that the independent directors of the company could block the proposal of signing fuel supply agreements with the power producers. Now remember, PMO had directed the company to sign these FSAs by March end, but we've seen reports where the company has still now not signed any kind of FSA. Now, the reports are also suggesting that the independent directors are opposing the move, saying that the level of minimum supply guarantee is unfair for Coal India. And if you look at the counter, not doing well. 1 year return for the counters also, it's down by about 5%. And do keep an eye on sugar stock. Positive news came in yesterday after the market as EGOM has given a nod for additional export of almost 1 million ton. Now remember, before this, sugar companies were allowed to export 2 million ton of sugar. So this will expedite the exports going forward. So do keep an eye on sugar counters like Sri Renuka, Balrampur Chini and Bajaj Hindustan.